Hello students, now we are going to discuss some important topics from the first lesson, Nature of Physical World. First, let us see about what is radian, what is radian. We already know that radian is the unit for plane angle and radian is the unit for solid angle. Now let us discuss about the definition for radian and radian. What is radian? 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc equal in length to the radius of the circle. Once again I repeat, 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc equal in length to the radius of the circle. What is radian? 1 radian is the solid angle subtended at the center of a sphere by that surface of the sphere which is equal in area to the square of the radius of the sphere. Once again I repeat, 1 radian is a solid angle subtended at the center of a sphere by that surface of the sphere which is equal in area to the square of the radius of the sphere. Radian is represented as RAD. Radian is represented as small sr. Next, let us see some notes given in our textbook. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Then 1 radian will become what? 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi, or 180 degree into 7 by 22, because pi is equal to what? 22 by 7. After simplifying this, we will get 57.27 degree. 1 degree of arc is equal to 60 minutes of arc. Then 1 minute of arc is equal to 60 seconds of arc. How can we tell this? 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This table shows that a very small distances and the very large distances are measured in terms of 10 pars. First, let us discuss about how the very large distances are represented in terms of 10 pars. Look at the first half portion. Multiple, prefix and symbol. 10 power 1. 10 power 1 should be called as deca. The symbol for deca is dA. 10 square. 10 square is called as hecto. The symbol for hecto is h, small h. 10 cube. 10 cube must be called as kilo. The symbol for kilo is small k. 10 power 6 should be called as mega. The symbol for mega is capital M. 10 power 9 should be called as giga. The symbol for giga is capital G. 10 power 12 should be called as tera. The symbol for tera is capital T. 10 power 15, it should be called as peta. The symbol for peta is capital P. 10 power 18 should be called as exa. The symbol for exa is capital E. 10 power 21 should be called as zeta. The symbol for zeta is capital Z. 10 power 24 should be called as iota. The symbol for iota is capital Y. Next, let us see how the very small distances are measured in terms of 10 pars. See the sub multiple. 10 power minus 1 should be called as deci. The symbol for deci is small g. 10 power minus 2 should be called as centi. The symbol for centi is small c. 10 power minus 3 should be called as milli. The symbol for milli is small m. 10 power minus 6 should be called as micro. The symbol for micro is mu. It should be called as what? That symbol should be called as what? Mu. 10 power minus 9 should be called as nano. The symbol for nano is small n. 10 power minus 12 should be called as pico. The symbol for pico is small p. 10 power minus 15 should be called as femto. The symbol for femto is small f. 10 power minus 18 should be called as auto. The symbol for auto is small a. 10 power minus 21 should be called as zepto. The symbol for zepto is small z. 10 power minus 24 should be called as yocto. The symbol for yocto is small y. Thank you, students.